so it's been about a week since I got the mattress from DreamCloud, and about a week and a half into it, I decided to go with the adjustable frame because it was just sitting too low on this bed, and I didn't want to put the box spring from the other mattress. So it arrived today. It's very heavy. I had to MacGyver it in the house. I wheeled it up on the porch and then put a packing blanket. I have hardwood floors, so I was able to slide it down the hallway on this blanket. Now I'll be able to cut this open and get it all configured and set up, and then once this part is up, then I'll put the bed around it and hopefully everything will come into place. So it came in about about a week, I guess. Actually, it came faster than the mattress did. I don't know if it's because of the weekends or in between or whatever, but we'll see how this goes, and it shouldn't take too long. So the weight of this box, it says I think gross weight 140 pounds, so one piece. Notice the writing on the top. So I cut the tape along the sides and cut the banding so it'll open up like a clamshell. So when you open it, this is how it's orientated. So that's the top. So I'll have to get it out of the box, get to the bottom of it, put the legs on, and then flip it over. So it's folded in half. Yep, we'll get that all done and we'll continue on with this once I get a little bit farther. So, all right, so far so good, not too bad. Okay, as I'm wrapping it and trying to think how am I gonna do this. So I pushed down the cardboard here so I'll be able to slip that off. And right now I know that this right here is the foot of the bed because of these little eyelets here to put those brackets. So I will get this orientated the right way, that this bed's gonna sit in this frame, and then pull the cardboard out. And then at that point, I'll flip it over and see what kind of connections be made. Now, so far, I have not run into the directions yet, and I'm assuming they're probably inside here. So let me get to the next part of this. So it's opened up now. You can see all the wires, but it doesn't look that confusing because everything is color-coded. So that should make it fairly easy. So you got these empty, these boxes or blocks. It was from the folding mechanism. And then you have these two boxes here that have parts in, so I'll get those open. Okay, so in the bigger box you get the instructions, some legs, and they do separate here, so for adjustable heights. These have to be cut. I'm assuming the remote controls in here, and the bar for the foot piece is right here. So, you know, I kind of looked for them and like, where was this piece? But it's zip tied here with these orange things, so that has to be cut out and removed. So I'll get that done now. So as you get the legs out of these packs here, there's a cover here that you can just put on the end to keep your floors protected. And then on the frame for the corners, they give you two positions here to choose from for putting your legs on. So right now I'm using the outside ones, and there's a position here for the inside legs. So I'll get this side taken care of, but right now I just did this side. And what I did notice is that all the connections are already made, so all you'll have to do is plug this in and then sync your remote up to that. So that should be good. Now what I did notice here is that all the stuff was strapped in with these orange zip ties, and I noticed there one's there. There's one right there. So I don't think the directions mention anything about why that's there, but before I cut it here. Oh, it's holding up a cable. I think I'm not sure if I'm going to cut that. I think I'm going to try it without and see if it affects anything, but I'm going to have to read the directions and see if this needs to be removed. So, okay, so everything fit really well here. And I think when it does rise, I will not hamper my bed frame. So this is exactly what I wanted. I did end up cutting that other zip tie. So cut all the orange ones because it said remove them all. So I figured the other ones were orange. That one was orange. I needed to remove it. So I've got some play here. So I'll get the mattress on top and get this situated and get her plugged in and see what we got. Okay, in the instructions here, it says these remotes are synced to our bed. So I'm going to do the head up. There it is. That's good. And let's look at the foot. It's going up. I don't know if I have to do some shifting here. Nothing's getting weird, so that's good. So everything is working as it should. And here's the remote here. We'll do foot down. Actually, I think there's a flat button, flat. There we go. So in the instructions, I wouldn't throw them away, because if this gets unsynced with your bed, there's a way here to do it. It's a combination of hitting these two buttons. So throw this next to your bedstand. 3-year warranty. It's the height that I was looking for. It just made that difference. So I'll get the bed made, and oh gosh, I'm looking so forward to sleeping in this. But so far the mattress has been outstanding. So this was pretty easy. I was able to undo everything in this room. It was like, you know, a layer after layer, but you got to think it through. Bring it in the room, cut the box open, get rid of the box, position the mattress, the way you want the mattress. Make sure that your foot bumper here is on where you want it to be. It's on the end here. Then you put the legs in, unclip the zip ties, plug it in, and flip it over the way you want it. Put your bed frame around it, plug her in, and you're ready. So now I just got to make the bed, and we're all be set for tonight. So I'll give an update how this is working out, but I think this is going to be good in winter to watch TV and stay warm, and I'm glad I did it so far. So do I wish I would have did it sooner and bought them at the same time? I don't think so, because I think I did it to the point that did I like the mattress? Been on it about a week and a half. Yes, I like the mattress. It's not going back. And then at that point, I decided that I wanted to get the adjustable box or bed frame. So that's where we're at right now. So far so good. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I've been sleeping on the bed and the frame for the last 3 nights, and I actually really like it. Down here, you can't really see the legs from the frame itself. They're kind of tucked up underneath there, so it's worked out really well. The cool thing too about the remote, there's a button here where it lights up at night, which has really been handy in the middle of the night if I wanted to change the position of the mattress. So if you're thinking about this combination, I would say go for it. They're staying here. I'm not returning them. You got 365 days to return them. I don't see me doing that with this. So hope this helps. Put a comment below if you got any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. This is a true honest-to-God video and a review of this mattress and this purchase I made. So thanks for watching. Peace!